Honey, listen, never mind me. I'm at the laundromat, and while my clothes in the dryer, I said, let me come over here and do a Dollar Tree haul. But listen, have you guys seen this? This is the voice controlled, $1.25. How you guys feel about this? Let me know in the comment section. I seen this a few days ago on somebody else's video, the voice control tabletop light. Dome lamp, turn on a light. Dome lamp, turn on the light. Honey, 5 unique commands, 3 light colors, adjustable brightness, built-in microphone. Child. If you have a little girl, a niece, a goddaughter, a little cousin, a daughter, honey, let me tell you something. Dollar Tree has some amazing items. I think you're gonna like this. They have the aristocrats right here. This is so cute, lip gloss. They have so many new items. Check this out. Now, they also have the Disney Princess lip balms. These are $1.25. You get 2 packs, really, really cute. The lip gloss is hydrating. 2-pack, $1.25. And look at this. Well, Moana, absolutely love this. This over here, lip balm, 2 for $1.25 as well. More lip balm. And then they also have Lady and the Tramp. Who remember that movie? Now, I don't think I ever watched it, but I remember hearing about it. Okay. They also have Moana. Oh, look at this. Lip balm, 2 pieces for $1.25. And they also have these Be Pure compared to Vaseline Original Scented. Now, I did purchase the caramel, which is this one. 2 of these for $1.25. Still, they're like Holyfield. They also have Marie Lip Balm Duo. This is so cute. At first, I was like, the devil is a lie trying to get me to spend my coins up in here. But then I started thinking, I started thinking, I got other things I got to do, like back to school shopping and stuff like that. So I can't be just, got to be mindful. Peace, family, peace. Real quick, if you guys see any items in this Dollar Tree haul, there will be a link in my description box where as though you can purchase some of the items from directly Dollar Tree. All right, because I know some of you guys, you say, well, I didn't see that at my Dollar Tree. Now you would be able to purchase some of the items. Now, one of the things I did notice that maybe some of the items may not be on Dollar Tree website, probably, okay? Also, you guys, if you don't know, I am a affiliate marketer, okay? So meaning any items that you guys see in a video, if you go on Dollar Tree, you do not see those items, you can also click on another link as though you see the items pop up in the video. So if it is, for instance, if you see like some nails and you go on Dollar Tree website, the link that I provide, because I get paid for that, child, okay? All right, I get paid if you purchase something. I get a percentage. But if you see some nails or something that you didn't, that you seen in a video and you didn't see on Dollar Tree website, if the nails pop up in the video, like at the bottom, you will see like pictures of different items. If you click on that, sometimes they would have those nails like at Walmart, at Target, just FYI. All right, I catch you guys on the next clip. Peace. Now, Dollar Tree had brought back these amazing nails, and as tempting, my loves, as these may be, I am definitely not getting them. They are so gorgeous. You get 12 pieces for $1.25. Maybe I should close my eyes. You get 12 of these for $1.25. Now, they have other colors as well. And it's so funny. I went all the way to TJ Maxx. Well, Burlington looking for these. And I did get some, okay? But they wasn't like these, So, they also have this color. And these are from Be Pure Magnetic Powder Finish Nails, okay? Love this. I know somebody has said that they had heard the vitamin E infused pumice, I think that's how you pronounce it, that it wasn't no good. Honey, this thing is good. Now, I did think that at first because I said, this not real hard, like, like a brick, rough like a brick, right? But this is good. I like this. It did wonders for me. These are $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree also had these LA Colors glassy nails, okay, artificial clear flexible nail tips. These are $1.25. You get 25 of these. They also have these, and the difference is these are square and these are almond shaped. I had told you guys my opinion on these nails. Too thin for me. I also had purchased these. I still haven't put these on yet. These are $1.25. You get 24. Now, Dollar Tree also have some more press-on nails, press and run, $1.25, 12 pieces. They also have these. I absolutely love these. These are so colorful and fun. They also have these nails right here. You get 12 pieces as well. Absolutely love this. Now, look at the temptation. The devil is a lie. 12 pieces for $1.25. This color they have. And then they also have this purple. This is stunning, to say the least. My loves, if you guys are looking for some lip stains, Dollar Tree definitely have them. They have the caramel lip stain from B Color. They also have the pink sugar. Now, if you don't know, let me be the first to tell you. My favorite color is a red and a bright orange matte finish lipstick. Okay, eating all day. All right, leaving no crumbs. They also have the candy apple, $1.25. Love this. And if you guys have not seen these already, these are definitely styling and profiling. They have these cosmetic storage. This has the face, the eyes, the lips. You can put some sponges in here. You also can put some eyeliners in here, some mascara. You could put some lipstick, some lips, chapstick. Honey, you can put all sorts of things in here. And they come in two different colors. They have the purple and also the black. Now, Dollar Tree also have this Spa Luxury. This definitely puts me in the mind of EOS. Super Smooth Shave Cream. And this is pomegranate raspberry scent and also coconut cream, $1.25. Now, if you are looking to refresh your body, Dollar Tree definitely has the Peach Refreshing Body Mist. These are $1.25. And honey, I ain't in your business, but they do have some warming jelly just for you. All right. Peace, family. Peace. We in Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree have all the back to school items. Honey, we gonna go through this 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna have you move your feet to the beat out in these streets. Let's get into it. Dollar Tree has these 3D erasers. You get 5 of these for $1.25. They also have the multiplication cards, flashcards over here, 36 for $1.25. Alphabet activity book, numbers and counting. These are $1.25. Trace and write activity book, sight words. They also have $1.25. Wall borders. These are nice. A 12 piece for $1.25. Now, if you guys are looking for back to school insulated lunch bags, Dollar Tree definitely has them. These are $5. They come in different colors. Oh, absolutely love the black and silver. This one is nice. They also have the backpacks. These are $5 as well. And if you really want to be fancy, Dollar Tree also have these Marvel lunch bags over here. These are nice. They also have Minnie. They also have Stitch. And then they also have the Disney princesses, $5. Bluey. And they have these see-through backpacks. These are $5 as well. If you are definitely looking to save on your coins, come to Dollar Tree. They definitely in a place to be, honey. Now, they also have these Spider-Man backpacks. Honey, if I was to get this for my youngest son, he's 10 years old, but I don't think he gonna want this. Well, we shall see. They also have the Marvel heroes. This is cute. cute. And look at Spidey and Amazing Friends. Absolutely love this. These are $5. They also have Frozen, Minnie Mouse, Princess, Stitch, Child. Try to tell Dollar Tree they ain't moving their feet to the beat. Dollar Tree also have they Sweet 4 decor items out, and they got a little bit of summer items over here. But honey, they moving and grooving. Everything that you need for school supplies, Dollar Tree definitely has them. 24 pencils, $1.25. Composition notebooks, ooh, Stay True and Be You. I know that's right. I love that. All these composition notebooks are $1.25. They also have the 1-inch vinyl binders. These are $1.25. They also have some folders, 120 sheet notebooks, $1.25. Really, really cute. Now, Dollar Tree also have their gel pens, quality value, $1.25. This definitely gives brand name, okay? The Zebra gel pens, $1.25. If you are looking for mechanical pencils, Dollar Tree definitely has them. Number 2 lead, refillable comfort grip, 4 for $1.25. Back to school pencils, you get 24 for $1.25. And you know what? I absolutely love this because you definitely are going to save. You know, look at this, 8 sticks of glue for $1.25. They also have the dry erase boards with the marker and the eraser, $1.25. You're looking for some dry erase markers, you get 8 of these for $1.25. And then they also have the Optimus pens, 2 for $1.25. Quick drying, bright, vibrant colors, no bleed ink. Ooh, these are nice. Oh, I like this. Glitter highlighters with bonus gel pen. These are $1.25. Now, I had showed you guys these fragrance boosters probably about 2 weeks ago or so, or probably could have been longer. These smell so good. Just like citrus. Long-lasting freshness. Tropical, that's the scent. But honey, it smells just like citrus. Absolutely amazing. $1.25. Now, if you are looking for some floral and accessories, Dollar Tree definitely has them for the fall. Absolutely love these. These are so gorgeous. Look at these. Look at the colors. So vibrant. Absolutely like this. These are so cute. And I believe you get like 3 for $1.75. So do understand that Dollar Tree prices has increased, honey, FYI, just so you don't go to that register thinking that is a certain price and it's not. These are $1.75. So my loves, if you guys are looking for weekly planners, Dollar Tree definitely has them. Look at this, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, to-do list. They also have reminders, important, don't forget, and these are $1.50. Calendars 2026, honey, sure is moving quick. Waves of Peace, these are $1. They also have these planners over here. Oh my goodness, this is so good. For $1.50. Oh, that is good. It is well with my soul. More planners they have up at the top. These are all $1.50. They also have the calendars over here. Honey, dang, January, honey, we only in July. They also have more weekly planners. These are good, honey. Have your life organized. So Dollar Tree has some new candles, and I have tried the plug-in, the refill of this, but not this scent. It was the Cozy Place, right? This smells good. Now, how long is it going to last when you light it? Honey, I don't know about that, okay? These are $1.25. The scent is grapefruit and sweet orange. Now, it smells wonderful, delightful, really good. Now, Dollar Tree also have this, the Cozy Place. Cozy was an amber scented candle duo. When I smelled this, it wasn't given, right? It wasn't given away. It needed to be given. But you get 2 of these for $1.25. Would I personally buy this one? Absolutely not. But I would go round with this one. Look at Dollar Tree being fancy for you and me, girls. Dollar Tree have these candle holders. Look at this. $1.25. These are definitely giving. Really, really cute. They also have this wood one. It feel like wood on the outside, but in the inside is glass. Honey, I don't know how to explain that. This is $1.25 as well. When I told you about the refills, I'm talking about these 2 scented oil refills. These smells amazing. Coconut and tropical palm, absolutely amazing. $1.25 for 2. Face Tough Odors. These are good. Now, Dollar Tree had brought these back. These are the Gemstone Pro AirPods, okay? I say AirPods. My son be like, come on. You're right. These are $5. LED digital display, accurate display, a battery level. This is so good. Advanced mic noise cancellation for clear voice. They come in about 3 different colors. They have the white, they also have pink, and they also have black. All right, family, let me know in the comment section what was your favorite item that you like. Now, mine's what really got my attention was that voice control, Doom, voice activator, whatever, okay? $1.25. You think they listening? All right. Let me know what was your favorite item. Until next time, make sure you're rocking out. Believe in yourselves. Keep on going. Keep on growing. Peace.